viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we shall be looking at construction of angle 30 degree. If you recall, in our previous video we did construction of angle 60 degree. Angle 30 degree is the bisection of angle 60 degree. The word bisection means to divide into two equal parts. So bisection of an angle 60 degree will be able to give us angle 30 degree. For example, you have this as angle 60 degree. To obtain angle 30 degree means to divide this angle 60 degree into two equal parts. That is to say, when you construct the angle in this form, bisecting the angle in this form means that you are going to be having 30 degree here, another 30 degree here. So bisection of an angle means to divide the angle into two equal parts. Now let's get started on the construction of angle 30 degree. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button in my channel so that you'll be able to get other free videos as they come online. Interesting mathematics topics as we post them in this channel. So click on the subscribe button so that you'll be able to watch other ones as they come in. Alright, so to construct angle 30 degree, the first step we take is to draw line AB. Line AB, you can choose to use another alphabet of your choice. You can call it XY as the case may be. So the next step we're going to take after drawing line AB, I'll be constructing the angle at the right hand side, that's at point B. That's why I'll be saying with B as the center. With B as the center, choosing my convenient radius. That means the wideness of my choice. So what I want to do is I'll place the pin at point B like the way I did it during the construction of angle 60 degree. So I place the pin at the end of the line here, which represents B. You place the point here and draw an arc. You draw an arc to meet the line AB at the point D. I can call this place point D. We call it point D. That's the point where the arc meets line AB. So with D as the center, that's the point where the arc meets line AB. I call it point D. So with the D as the center, using the same wideness I use in getting this arc, I'll place my pin at point D. Place it at point D, then you draw another arc to cut the previous one. Alright, so after doing that, the next step we are to take is to now bisect this angle 60 degree, because if I'm to obtain angle 60 degree, we can call this place point E. To obtain angle 60 degree is by joining B all the way to E. That will give us angle 60 degree. But what I'm looking for is angle what? 30 degree. Meaning that if this is the wideness of angle 60 degree, I'll be bisecting this angle in order for us to be able to obtain angle 30 degree. Then I can give an imaginary line of angle 60 degree. You can choose not to do that since you are looking for angle 30 degree. So to obtain an imaginary line here to indicate angle 60 degree, so that I'll be able to bisect it to obtain angle 30 degree. So this is angle 60 degree, the wideness of angle 60 degree. So to get angle 30 degree means that we have to bisect this angle 60 degree in order for us to be able to obtain 30 degree. So to do that, we'll be taking the point where the arc meets this ray of line, and that is at E, and the point where the arc touches line AB, that is at point D. So therefore, I'll be saying taking D and E as the centers. That is to say, I'll be placing my pin at E. Afterwards, I will draw my arc and also place it at D, draw another arc. Their point of intersection will be joined to B to be able to obtain my angle 30 degree. How do we do that? Taking D as the center and also E as the center with my convenient radius. Now I can extend this at the convenient radius, that's the radius of my choice. Then I'll place it first of all at E and draw an arc. draw an arc. Then afterwards, you place it at point D, draw another arc. Alright, so after doing that, the next step is for us to now join the point of intersection of the two arcs, as you can see here. So we can choose to call this point F. Alright, so we now join B all the way to F to obtain our angle 30 degrees. And look at how to do that. We join point B all the way to F. We can now draw a straight line. So the angle we have here is angle 30 degree. Angle 30 degree. So we can use our protractor to have a measurement of this angle to see actually whether we're able to get the angle accurately. Then you place the pin, the point. You can see the point here. That's the line, the meeting point of the vertical line from your protractor and that of the horizontal line. Their meeting point here is what this particular place represents. So you place it at that point B. Then you begin to read from 0.0 all the way towards 180. So I read from here until where the line stops. That is 10, 20 and 30 degree, and that is perfect. That's how to measure the angle. And this is exactly how to construct angle 30 degree. I hope this is quite clear. You can watch it over and over again to be able to master how to draw or construct angle 30 degree. Thank you for listening.